Welcome back, everybody. And today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota Corolla. This is the 1.8 liter, the one with the 1ZZ FE engine. I'm going to show you guys how to change the engine air filter on this car. Stay away from the dealership, save money. I encourage everybody to do this. The first thing you want to do is locate the intake air box, which is right here above the battery. This is the battery. This is your engine air box. You're gonna have two clips right here. Two clips, one on each side. You got one here, you got one in the back here. You lift up, like so. Here's your air filter. I can try to get it out. Okay, this is for demonstration purpose. This is your air filter. Pay attention. If you look, the air filter has one corner, this little corner right here. All the other corners are round, okay? And then this is the thick side. This is the thin side. The thick side goes down. And then the filter goes horizontal, okay? And just remember, pay attention to this corner. This corner sits on the groove. It has to sit in here. So you pick it up, you insert your new filter. This is for demonstration purpose only. Set your new filter in like that. It has to sit on the edge. And then before you can put your tabs, clip your tabs back down. Back here, you're gonna have two tabs, insert tabs. They have to lock in. They have to lock in. Like that. Once you've got it locked in, push down, lock it. There you go. You just changed the engine air filter on your 2007 Toyota Corolla. Thanks, guys. Rule number 1, always be safe. Have a great day, guys.